Hello everyone and welcome back to European English. Today we are going to be learning about the prepositions of movement. So, there are several prepositions and we have already covered the topic of prepositions of time and prepositions of place. So now we are going to be covering the prepositions of movement in the B1 level course. So, the prepositions of movement include across, along, into, around, past, through, under, over, up, and down. So basically, prepositions of movement describe the direction an object is moving in. So, first of all, we have the prepositions along and into. Along means going in a line next to something long. So here in this image, we can see that the ball is going along this blue line and it's following each curve and everything alongside it. And for example, a row of houses along a river. And then we have the preposition into. Into means going to the inside of a place, container, area, or etc. So in this image, we can see that the ball is going inside this box. And then the example is, let's go into the garden. So the preposition is saying that the object, which is us, is moving, because this is a preposition of movement, into the garden. And then we have the preposition around. Around has several meanings, going in a position or direction surrounding. So for example, she had a scarf around her neck. And then the other meaning of around is going in a direction, going along the edge or from one part to another. So in this example, we can see that the ball is going around this box. We have another example, which is the moon goes around the earth. So the earth is the center, and then the moon is going around it. Then we have the prepositions past and across. Past means in or to a position that is further than a particular point. For example, 3 boys went past us on mountain bikes. For example, my hand went past this pencil case. It went further than the pencil case. Preposition across means going from one side to the other of something with clear limits. For example, she walked across the road. The road has clear limits where it starts at one point and it ends at the other, and the lady walked across the road. Then we have the preposition through. Through means going from one end of something to the other. For example, the boy slowly walked through the woods. And then we have the prepositions under and over. So under means going in or to a position below or lower than something else, often so that one thing covers the other. For example, he hid under the bed. The other preposition, over, means going above or higher than something else. For example, she held the umbrella over both of us. So it's on top of you or above you. And then we have the last 2 prepositions, up and down. Up means going to or in a higher level position. So up means, it doesn't necessarily mean that something is above you. It just means that you're going higher up. Unlike the preposition under or over. So for example, she is going up in a lift. The preposition down means going in or towards a lower level position from a higher one. So up or down can also be easily identified by stairs, because you can go up the stairs, you can down the stairs, and then the example I have is I slid down the hill. Because the hill, for example, here's the hill and you're going down it. So thanks for learning with us, and I hope you can join us on the next one.